Here's what you'll need for an easy and nutritious cauliflower and broccoli soup. The two main protagonists: a bell pepper, some honey, counteract the earthiness, an onion, as little or as much garlic as you'd like, beef stock or veggie if you're that way inclined, and a celery stick. First thing we're going to do, get your veg prepared, so give them a good rinse or wash and get them chopped up. Just put a glug of oil into your pan, and then it's in with your chopped up broccoli and cauliflower. And it's on with a lid, and we'll give them 5 or 10 minutes to fry and steam away. And they've had a few minutes. Give them a stir. Then it's in with your onion, pepper and celery. Salt and black pepper, and then we're going to give them another 5 minutes to soften down. When they've had a few minutes and got some of that lovely seared brownness, which is a lovely flavour, it's time to go in with your garlic. As you can see, I'm a garlic lover, but if you're not, you can leave it out completely or just put a bit in. When you get that mixed in, and just give that a minute to warm through. With everything cooking along swimmingly, it's time to go in with your stock. With the stock in, the last thing to go in is a good glug of honey. Then we're going to pop the lid back on and simmer that away for around 30 minutes until all this veg is nice and soggy. And it's been simmering away for 30 minutes or more. Time to get it blended up. Once you've blended it up to a consistency that you're happy with, it's time to get out your fresh bread and serve it up.